As we can see, the different artists have come out and shown their talent during this beautification program. So the competition is also there among the localities. So we will have the best locality prize. But apart from that, we've also realized that there are many artists who have done really well. So we have decided that we will also have a best artist competition also, and we will choose among the different the paintings and drawings that have been done to decide on who will be the best artist. So yes, this has also been a great experience and a great way of allowing the talent of our youth also to be shown to the city and to the people in general. So our purpose of visiting the localities was to review the beautification project that we had started in Shillong, Jowai and in Tura. And I'm very happy to see that there has been a very positive response from all the localities. And this project has gone beyond just simple beautification. It is really a project of integration, I should say, where the localities, the darbars, the youth, the women's group and the government have worked together for the first time to do a positive thing for our city. And therefore I take this opportunity to thank each and every darbar and all the shnongs and the leaders who have really participated and made this program a success. And we want to assure everybody that we will continue to have this program in the future also, and find ways and means on how the localities, the community and the government can work together for the betterment of society and our towns, our cities and the state as well.
So, not very because this is reflected very well for the entire city work, and we are trying to involve now the rest of the Rangbashnongs also, the Darbars also, to be part of this, and we would want to continue this also in the future.